11 here. What comes before 9? 8. Where is 8? Place it here. What comes before 8? 7. Where is the 7? Place it here. What comes before 7? 6. Where is 6? Place it here. And what comes before 6? 5. Where is 5? And what comes before 5? 4. Next, 3. And 2. And 1. We call it's a bead stair.
Ravneet ma'am, we always say na it's difficult for children to learn what comes before.
Before numbers.
So you practice this.
Okay. So now there is a 1, 10. Okay. Can you give me 1 from the bead stair? And place it here. Okay. Let's count it. It's a 1, 1, 2 1s, 3 1s, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we take one more, it will become 11. This is 11. First time child will learn it's 11. Okay. So this is 11. Right. Let me take one more time. Can you give me 2 from the bead stair? Place it here. Okay. You know these are the 10 ones. Okay. So it's a 1, 10. Okay. 10 we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If we take 2 here, means 11 and 12. This is 12. Okay. Let me take one. Again it's 1, 10. Can you give me 3 from there? Place 3 here. So this is 10. We know there are 10 ones. So that is 11, 12, 13. Okay. So this one is a 13. Ravneet, this is 11. This is 12. This is
13.
okay. Ravneet, I want 11 here. Can you make 11 here?
This one. This is 110. 11. Yes. And this is 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 11.
11, yes. So this is 11. So can you make 12 here? Now you are aware. Okay, this is
Yes.
10. No? So we will not count it again. Okay?
And this is 2.
Yes. So there is a
12.
12. So can you make 13 here?